What is going today, guys? Alan here. We are back for another video. Today we're going to be doing a video on the CTS Catless Downpipe for my MK7 GTI. Hopefully you guys are all doing good today. I just have a quick short little video for you. Sorry my car is a little bit of a wreck. If you guys have checked out my other video, we just got done installing the wheel spacers on the MK7 GTI. So hopefully you guys did like that video. If you haven't, go up here, click this link here and go check it out. But we're going to do a little bit of a sound test for you. Recently, before I actually got the Unitronic Stage 2 downpipe, or excuse me, before I got the Unitronic Stage 2 on my car, I installed the CTS Catless Downpipe. Now, I've had a lot of people asking me what I think of it, what do I think the Catless. So we're going to do a little video to let you guys know about that. So first off, first question I get all the time is the smell. Like, how do you deal with the smell? How bad is the smell? Honestly, it's not that bad. I don't think I actually notice it while I'm driving. I kind of got used to it. So it is definitely a smell that it's not overwhelming. If you're driving like me with the windows down, air conditioning on, you really won't smell it that bad. Maybe a little bit when you come to a stop at a red light or a stop sign. Maybe you'll get a little bit of a smell, especially if you have the windows down. But as for like just normal driving, if you're driving down the road, it's not unbearable. You can't smell it. And I've actually asked my wife before too, like, hey, what do you think? Is this smell overbearing? If it's awful, I'll get rid of it and get something else. And she says, no, I don't smell it. The only time I'm smelling it is when we come to a red light and we're there for a little while. So that's definitely something for you guys to check out. If you guys are in an area where you can run a Catless downpipe, I definitely recommend it. It sounds amazing. And for the price for CTS, you can really not beat the quality that they give you with this. I just think it sounds great, but I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So we'll go ahead and install some sound clips. I'll do a couple of me doing pulls, a couple of me just driving normal, so you guys can check it out, and then we'll do a little recap at the end. So stay tuned, guys.